Spin.
Hindi ko pa nababasa kung anong eksakto na, but I heard nga that wala. It's good. I'm very very much thankful na walang nangyari. Kasi sabi ko nga ako, you don't wish that happening to any player,
Yes. Okay.
regardless of whether tila siya o hindi.
Okay.
Ayaw mo yun mangyari. I mean, that's the last thing you want these athletes to go through.
Opo.
So, very much relieved.
Pero boss, if ever he plays in the finals, magiging hopeful ba kayo na makakalaro din siya sa FIBA Asia, sa FIBA qualifying?
Ang ano naman dyan, malayo pa naman yung FIBA qualifying. I mean, it's 7 months away. And I guess we'll give him, if he needs to rest, I hope that his recovery is quick, na makasali siya kagad. Di pa nga tayo practice, we start practice after the finals.
Ganun.
Again, we resume practice. So I'm hoping, sana kung makapagpahinga siya at mabigyan siya ng go signal, then let's go.
Opo. Pero kung makalaro siya sa finals, that's the best glimmer of hope para sa atin, ano boss?
I guess that's a good sign, yeah.
So hopefully makalaro siya if he plays in the finals. Ano po?
Mm-mm.
Pero nalungkot din kayo boss, isa kayo na sa nalungkot talaga, no? Devastated do sa development injury.
Oo naman.
Pero
Siyempre.
gaano siya ka-integral talaga boss?
I think he's by far
The best we
one of the best big man in the PBA now. Diba? And he will be a very vital cog in the endeavor
Opo.
to try and make it real.
Especially that we're going against taller countries, ano?
And we're going, this is like a mini World Cup. We're going against, these are the, third, fourth placers of each region. Of each FIBA zone. Isipin mong lakas yan. You'll have Serbia. The likes of Serbia, Portugal.
So good avenue for our talents to showcase yung skills, ano?
Also, of course.
May mga scouts diyan, ano ba?
Spin.